how to hide the upper portion and the right portion of the video inside Davinci Resolve. It's one single clip cut into multiple pieces. Okay, so to make that adjustment for all of the pieces, that is to show only the lower left side of the video and delete or crop down the top and the right side, let's do the following modification. So this clip here in the inspector file, it's a 4K resolution clip. It is also reversed. So I want to reduce the resolution from 4K 3840 by 2160 to 2560 1440. Okay, to do that, come here to the wheel and reduce that one from 3840 to 2560 and 1440. So that's a smaller resolution, and after I click on the save button, the leg, that black one, will not be visible. It will crop down the sides. So save, and the leg is somewhere outside here. So we lost the left, the right, the top and the bottom, and we have to push everything a little bit to the right and up. So go to the video tab. Here on the first clip, at transform, you can open and close those. At position, move that number to the right, and notice I am pushing the image to the right and that leg on the left is getting visible. Now make sure you don't see that black vertical bar. Push it to the left until it's not visible. Okay, somewhere there. And push it also up so that it is visible. In this case it's a leg. So grab the other number, the Y at position, and move it up. Now we have to copy this entire modification to all of the clips, because if I go to the next clip, notice the leg is not visible. It's somewhere here outside. So copy the properties of the first clip by right-clicking on it and copy, Ctrl+C. Okay, click on that one. Now select with this selection mode, select the rest of the clips which are not yet modified. We can even go there and you can see that the leg is not visible. And right click on any of those clips and don't use paste, but another one, paste attributes. It's not Ctrl+V but Alt+V. So paste attributes, and in the video attributes category, you have to select this position because we modified only the position. So only this one will be pasted from the first clip to the selected clips. Click on apply and the leg in the lower left corner is visible. It's visible from all of the clips. Okay, so that's how to crop down the top portion and the right portion of the videos on multiple clips on the timeline of Davinci. If you don't want this entire modification, you can push here at the position this circular arrow. Of course, select all of your clips first and reset back the position. Now the leg is again somewhere outside, and you can go back to the wheel and put back the original resolution, which was in this case this 4K 3840 by 2160, and save. And now it's back to the original image and the top and the right side is visible. Okay, so that's how to do this modification inside Davinci for multiple clips.